Hi everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to upload a document into chat. So first off, I'm going to go into Word, which is down on my taskbar. You might not have Word there, but that's okay. Start a blank document. So I'm pretending that this is some of my work. So I'm just going to type a random statement. Okay. Yours won't be this, obviously, because yours will be your work that you're putting in. I could put in a quick little picture, so I'm just going to go to pictures. Sorry, I won't go there. I'll go to an online picture and I might just put in a random humanities picture. Okay, so let's have a quick look. That one will do. Okay, so I'm just going to, I like that one, so I'm going to insert that one. Happy with that. I'm going to save my work, so File Save As. I'm going to save it onto my desktop, so I'm going to Browse and I'm going Desktop. And then I may as well just call it Here is my humanities work because it's easier for me to find at the moment. Obviously, I'll name it because then my teacher will know whose work it is. So I'm going to just label mine with Mrs. B at the end. I'll save that. Then I can close that off and I'm going to go back into Teams. So in Teams, I will click on Chat and I will start sorry, you can get rid of that one. I'm going to start a new chat. So I'm going to go a chat to Mrs. Tyrant and Mr. Oh, sorry. Yep, and Mr. Gerard as well. I'm going to say, please, can you see my work? Okay. I'll then click on the paperclip and I will go upload from my computer. And we're going to look for that file that I called Here is my humanities work, or Here is my work. See that file there? I double click on that and it will upload with that green line running along. When I'm happy with that, then I will click on the send button down here. Okay, so I can click on send and then my teachers will see that that's the work I've completed.